Welcome to Academic Impact and Recognition through Enhanced Nomination and Garnering of Awards. Increasing academic impact and recognition through awards involves three components: identifying awards you are eligible for, getting nominated for awards, and increasing your online profile impact. The degree of applicability of the elements underlying each component will vary by discipline and career stage. Why are awards important? Awards cultivate an environment of excellence, foster self-confidence and encouragement, facilitate personal and professional growth, enhance an institution's reputation, can begin to address inequities and biases, and elevate the value of intellectual pursuits. What do I gain from getting awards? Research has shown that faculty with awards have more citations and higher productivity, such as more publications and grants, and have larger collaborative networks and team sizes. In addition, the process of applying, even if you do not win, has career benefits, providing time for reflection on skills, identifying gaps, seeking out senior mentors, and providing an opportunity for feedback. Finally, awards provide an expression of appreciation. There are many potential sources for awards. These include professional societies and associations, university awards, foundation awards, private prizes and awards, and international awards. We will explore all of these in more detail next. Let's begin by exploring awards in your professional societies and associations. Professional societies and associations often have awards for all career stages, including early, mid, and late career or eminence, and for a range of recognition categories, including research, service, book awards, and fellow status as examples. Take a minute and search the awards in your professional society or association. Which are you eligible for now? Which ones will you be eligible for in the next few years? What are your strengths to be recognized? Research, teaching, service, leadership, or innovation? Make a list for yourself with submission deadlines. Pause this video while you conduct your own research. Another source for awards are university awards. These are awards for academic, teaching, and service recognition. They are awarded at the unit, college, university, and center levels. Examples of unit level awards include teaching, student mentoring, and faculty mentoring awards. Some centers like ERIC also have awards. Examples include Early Career Innovator, Distinguished Scholar Award, and Innovator of the Year. Awards are also bestowed by colleges. This is an example of the awards given by the College of Arts and Sciences. Each college has their own set of awards. In this example, we see a range of awards covering different career stages and acknowledging excellence in research, teaching, and service. Examples include the Arts and Sciences Distinguished Professor Distinction, Early Career Faculty Excellence Award, and Outstanding Staff Awards. University awards also cover research, teaching, and service excellence. Distinguished Scholar Award, Distinguished University Professor, and Innovator of the Year are examples of awards bestowed to faculty at the university level. Other sources for awards include foundation awards, private prizes and awards, and international awards. These types of awards are discoverable through three sources. 1, the Office of Research Funding and Awards webpage. 2, the Office of Foundation Relations Limited Submissions Opportunities webpage. And 3, the Scarlett and Grants webpage. I will explore each of these with you now. On the Office of Research Funding and Awards webpage, you can search for awards in your area of expertise by typing keywords into the search bar and by selecting keywords in the left-hand toolbar. You can also subscribe to get emails for awards in your area of interest. Through the Office of Foundation Relations, you can find a list of limited submission opportunities that are encouraged and supported by the university. Finally, the Scarlett and Grants webpage is a searchable database of over 800 grants and award opportunities that is curated and managed by the Office of Foundation Relations and the Office of Corporate Relations. A summary of awards and opportunities websites discussed so far in this presentation are listed here. Getting nominated for awards can happen in one of two ways. One, a colleague identifies you for an award and chooses to nominate you. Or two, you identify an award you are eligible for and seek out that nomination. Except for a few very high-level awards, such as membership in the National Academy of Sciences, asking a colleague if they would consider nominating you for an award that you are eligible for is permitted and encouraged. These are the 5 elements to seeking a nomination that you are eligible for. Ask a senior colleague or associate that is in your field that you know and have a professional connection to nominate you. This could be a mentor, collaborator, or colleague. Approach that potential nominator at least 3 months ahead of the nomination deadline. Provide the nominator with your CV and a short paragraph of why you think you would be a competitive candidate at the time of the ask. Offer to draft a bulleted list of accomplishments for the nomination letter. This helps the nominator craft a well-developed letter that reflects your expertise and skills. And finally, suggest potential other letter writers when more are needed. The last component to increasing the potential for awards and recognition is curating your online profile so that your scholarship and accomplishments are discoverable. You can choose to curate and update any number of those sites for accuracy and completeness. Examples of online profile sites include the Google Scholar page, Unit People page, professional website, and media outreach sites. The options that are best suited for you will vary by discipline. Let's explore 5 types of online profile categories. Google Scholar pages are commonly used to learn more about a person's scholarship. You can choose to curate your page to include all of your publications, including journal, book chapter, books, reports, and proceedings publications. Consider adding a photo, research area, and institutional affiliation to enhance your discoverability. The Unit People page is where you are listed on your department's website. In this example, the members of the School of Earth Sciences are discoverable by clicking People. People pages are standard requirements of all units at The Ohio State University. You can often update your own People page or submit changes to the webmaster of your unit. Elements of a People page include faculty's first and last name and title, as well as contact information and office location. Additional information that can be include areas of expertise, degrees and certifications, a short biography, a list of awards, a list of publications or scholarly works, link to a professional website, and links to social media and a CV. To edit your own People page, navigate to your People page on your departmental website and click on Login at the bottom of the page. Using your name dot number and user ID information, log in to your People page and click on the Edit text. From there, you will get the navigation tools for editing your People page. You can also follow the instructions provided in the tutorial and video for updating your profile. Remember, when you are finished, to click Save. A professional web page is a great way to feature more details about your scholarship and accomplishments. You can include more details about your research, photographs of you doing your research or presenting, information about your teaching, more details about your CV and publications, as well as news items featured by you or your students. To set up and get started, visit u.osu.edu. Finally, social media and other media outlets are platforms that may feature your scholarship and accomplishments. Media outreach can provide opportunities for sharing your work broadly. Some examples of media and community outreach include interviews with online magazines, press releases via the Ohio State University or the college-level marketing and communications offices to highlight recent publications or activities, links to your publications on your website and/or social media accounts, posting your student successes because their success reflects on you, accepting invitations to present your work, developing and curating a SAGE policy profile, linking your publications to their altmetric score, publishing in The Conversation, and discipline-specific outlets. We have now explored all three components to increasing academic impact and recognition through awards. There is no fixed order for executing each component, and they can be repeated throughout your career. The degree of applicability of the elements underlying each component will vary by discipline and career stage. We hope this presentation will help you develop a strategy for increasing your academic impact in a way that best suits your needs and career objectives. Thank you.